I'm David Cronenberg, and I'm here to invite all horror fans to come to the Molins Horror Film Festival. This year, they have dedicated the whole festival to the 30th anniversary of my film, The Fly. And so I'm very excited about that, and everything around the festival is The Fly. The artwork, the posters, the tickets, it's fantastic. What they've done there. It's really quite brilliant, and I encourage everybody to come. And there are always surprises there, and I'm sure there'll be all kinds of films that you'll want to see there besides The Fly. So don't hesitate, come on over. And this is David Cronenberg saying thanks and hi to all my fans.